Assalamu alaikum, very good morning. This is Gul Said and welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry with GS. Today's topic is functional group. So what is a functional group? Right? What is a functional group? An atom or group of atoms which gives characteristics chemical properties to organic molecules or compounds is called functional group. Now comes towards those compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So functional groups containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. This is very important of view for the examination point of view, right? This is very important for examination point of view. So the organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are alcoholic functional group because alcohol has oxygen. Ether functional group, carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acids, and esters. So these five have carbon, along with carbon, hydrogen, and there will be oxygen. So first of all, alcohol functional group, the organic compound which contains hydroxyl group means OH are called alcohols. The general formula of this one is ROH. Here R represents alkyl group and OH is the functional group of alcohol. Here E of alkane will be replaced by OL. For example, CH3OH, this is methyl alcohol, it is its common name. We are using two systems. One is common system, the other one is IUPAC system. So it contains one carbon, so it is methane. If there is one carbon in alkane, it is called methane. So last E is replaced by OL, so it is methanol. Here it contains two carbon atoms, so in alkane it is ethane. So ethane, last E is replaced by OL. Next one is ether functional group. The organic compounds which contains this unit are called ethers. The general formula is ROR. Here R represents alkyl group, right? Here, for example, CH3OCH3. This is dimethyl ether. Here C2H5OCH3. This is ethyl and this is methyl. So put ethyl, methyl, and put the last is ether. So its name will be ethyl methyl ether. Phenol, when OH is attached to benzene ring, it is called phenol. If OH is attached with R, then it is called alcohol. If OH is attached with benzene, so then it is called phenol. The next one is carbonyl compounds. The organic compounds which contains carbonyl groups, this is called carbonyl group, are called carbonyl compounds. They are divided into aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes, the organic compounds which contains this functional group or CHO, are called aldehyde. The general formula RC double bond OH. E of alkane is replaced here by Al. For example, CH3C double bond OH. Its common name is acetaldehyde. And in alkane there are two carbon atoms, so it is called ethane. So E will be replaced here by Al, so its name will be ethanol. Here it contains one carbon, so in IUPAC system, in alkane it is methane. So methane, the last E will be replaced by Al, and its common name is formaldehyde. Next one is carboxylic group. Carboxyl group. The organic compounds which contains carboxylic group COOH are called carboxylic acids. The general formula is RCOOH. Here R represents alkyl group and COOH is the functional group of carboxylic acid. Here E of alkane means the last E of alkane will be replaced by OIC acid. For example, CH3COOH, its common name is acetic acid. And in alkane, if there are two carbon atoms in a compound, then it is called ethane. So E of ethane will be replaced by OIC acid, so its name will be ethanoic acid. Here CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. So here we see four carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in alkane, if there are four carbon, it is called butane. So E of the E of butane we replace by here OIC acid because it contains COOH. Esters. IUPAC name of ester is alkyl alkanoate. It contains two alkyl groups on both sides. This is one carbon alkyl group. This is another alkyl group. E of alkane is hereby replaced by OATE. Here we will discuss some examples of all functional groups in your textbook. Look at here, we see all the bonds are single. This is alkanes. So the question is, we will do numbering from which side? If we will do numbering from that end which is closest to the substituent. This is called substituent because CH2, there is CH2, so one hydrogen is replaced by CH3, and here one of its hydrogen is replaced by CH3. This is called substituent. So you can do numbering from this side, either from this side. Let's say I do from this side. So at 2 there is one methyl attached, and 3 there is another methyl attached. So its name will be 2,3 dimethyl butane. Here this compound, right? So its common name is new pentane, right? New pentane. But its IUPAC name will be 1, 2. You can do numbering from this side, either from this side, no problem. So at 2 there are 2 methyl attached, so you will repeat that number 2, 2, because 2 methyl groups are attached. So 2, 2, and which substituents are attached? Methyl. So 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Another is ANE of alkane here will be replaced by ENE because it is alkene. So we will do numbering from that end which is much closer to the double bond. Here the double bond is away from this side. If you do numbering 1, 2, 3, so it comes on carbon 3. If you do numbering from this side, it will be at carbon 1. So its name will be 1-butene. So here the double bond is here. So you can do numbering from this side or either from this side, no problem. Let's say I do from this side. So at carbon 2 there is a double bond. So it is called 2-butene. Here you will see triple bond. So triple bond, then it is called alkyne, right? So its name will be 1-butyne. Here the triple bond, we can do numbering either from this side or from this side. Means you will do numbering from that end which is much closer to the triple bond. So it is at the same distance. If you do numbering from this side, so it comes at carbon 2. If I do from this side, it also comes from at carbon 2. So here it will give the position of the triple bond where it exists. So 2-butyne will be its name. So ANE of alkane here in alkyne is replaced by YNE. Here you see CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So it is alcohol. So where OH is attached, it is attached. This is 1. This is wrong. So it is attached on carbon 1, right? So this is 1-propanol. So here CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. So the OH is closer to this one, right? So you will do numbering from here. So it will be 2 what? 2-butanol because at carbon 2 OH is attached. Here CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. This is aldehyde. So at carbon 1, 2, 3, we will do numbering from the carbon of the carbonyl compound. So it is propanol. Here 1, 2, 3. We will do numbering from here, not from closest to the substituent, but from the carbon of the carbonyl compound. Here we will do numbering. So it will be 2-methyl propanol. Here CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So this is ketone. So we will do numbering from the end closest to the functional group. This is a function 1, 2, 3, 4. If you do from this side 1, 2, 3, so it comes on carbon 3. But if you do from this side, it comes at carbon 2. So it will be 2-butanone because ANE of alkane it will be replaced by ONE. Here CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So we will do numbering from this end because it much closer to this functional group. So at carbon 3 there is methyl attached, and carbon 2 there is the carbonyl, there is the functional group. So 3-methyl 2-butanone will be its name. Here CH3O CH3, this is it means the example of ether. So here 2-methyl groups are attached, so dimethyl ether. CH3 CH2O CH3, this is ethyl methyl ether. Another one is CH3 CH2 C double bond OH, this is carboxylic acid. So we will do numbering from this side. So this is propanoic acid. This because there are three carbons in alkane, so it is called propane. So E of propane will be replaced by OIC acid. Here we will do numbering from N closest to the functional group. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So at carbon 3 there is methyl attached, so 3-methyl butanoic acid will be its name. Here you see this is ester. This is example of ester. So here methyl, this is methyl because it has 2 carbons. This is one R and this is another R. So this R contains 2 carbon atoms. So first methyl, and you will add, this is ethane because there are 2 carbons. So methyl ethane, E of ethane will be replaced by OATE, right? So you will put OATE to that carbon, to that functional alkyl group which has greater number of carbon atoms, like CH3 CH2 CH3. If I take this one, so it has 3 carbon atoms, 1 2 3. If I take this one CH2 it has 2 carbon atoms. So first I will take this one ethyl. I will not change its name, and I will change its name. This is propane, and E of propane will be replaced by OATE, propanoid. So this was about functional groups and those compounds which containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. We have discussed in details. So I would like to request you to subscribe my channel and share and like and give comments, right? And thanks for watching this topic, functional groups and those compounds which containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygens. Goodbye.